Hi everybody, my name's Hylton Forrester again from Hylton Chimneys. This is another house we're doing. I'm going to show you, this one is slightly different to some of the ones we've done before because there's a steel we're putting in the loft from the spine wall to the external wall. So let me show you that. First of all, the skip is here again. It's on the drive, so we don't need a permit. And let me show you inside. This is the back dining room, which we're taking the chimney breast out of now. As you see, we've taken it out, and there's a bit at the top before we go upstairs. Let me show you upstairs then. This is a bedroom above downstairs. What the clients actually it's a proper bedroom. They're going to want put fitted wardrobes down the side of this wall all the way across, and the chimney breast has been in the way, so it's actually making a lot more space in the room for them. Above here we've got the steel, which we're going to be fitting tomorrow. Let me show you the steel upstairs. Okay, this is the steel here, which is apparently 4 meters long, and it's going to go from the external wall over there all the way across the bottom of the chimney here onto the wall here, which is the spine wall, and this wall runs all the way through the property, so it's supported correctly. We actually put packers underneath that, and it will carry straight across underneath the chimney. So all this will be supported by the external wall on that side and the spine wall in the middle, and then we would actually put a plate underneath that, and it's all done. The council would then come and have a look at this and presumably pass it because it's done correctly. Okay, in this room, where there was a chimney breast here, as you can see from the floor, and we have knocked out the chimney breast and plastered the entire wall. What we always do is the back wall in its entirety, instead of just around the chimney breast. As you look in here, what the clients have done, they've put dust sheets over some of the items which they have in this room, so it stops the dust going on there. And let me show you upstairs then. This is the first chimney breast, and let's go upstairs. Okay, in this room is the second chimney breast from below. We've plastered the back wall as well. All we need to do is put skirting board all the way along the bottom, and then this is complete. As you can see, the plaster is starting to dry out already because we did this a couple of days ago. Above here we have the steel which runs across from this is called the spine wall on this side, all the way to the external wall on this side. So let me go in the loft area and show you the steel. Okay, as you can see here, the steel is actually ending up on the spine wall, which is directly underneath here, and that wall runs all the way through the property. It is going underneath the chimney breast, so the weight is actually on the chimney breast itself, and all the way through to the external wall, which is at that end. And presumably the council is going to have a look at this and show that it's done correctly, because the weight of this chimney is directly onto the steel, which is supported by the 2 walls inside here. So as you can see, this is another one which we're doing. My name's Hylton Forrester from Hylton's Chimney. Thank you.